Okay, I'm back with another example on how to determine the function rule. Remember, we just did a video on this before, so this is the second video on how to determine the function rule. And let's find another function rule. Okay, so again, if you remember last time, we're going to be looking to see, do we have a common difference here somewhere? And again, our x column set up nicely for us. So we have -1 there, -1, -1, -1, -1. So that's all good. By the way, if these numbers are not in order, you can rearrange the pair. Like I can move this, the 2, -43, anywhere to get it so that they're in order. You want to have them so that they're going either least to greatest or greatest to least in the x column. Just makes the problem a lot easier to work on. Okay, so let's see what happens in the y column now. Going from -43 to -28, that would be adding 15. This would be adding 1. This would be subtracting 1. Subtracting 15. This would be subtracting 65. Okay, so again, we could see clearly it's not linear, right? If it was linear, that column would have the same difference all the time. So let's go to our next column. Okay, going this way now, we could see we subtracted 14 there. Here we subtracted 2. Here we subtracted 14. And here we subtracted 50. Okay, so still not good. So let's see what happens here. This is going to be we added 12. This is going to be we subtracted 16. I'm sorry, we subtracted 12. And here we are subtracting 36. So still not good. So let's go to this column. This is going to be subtracting 24. And this is subtracting 24. Okay, so there we go. It's going to be out there. So this would be linear if it was here. This would be quadratic. This would be cubic. This is fourth power. So what that means is we're going to have x to the fourth in here somewhere. So that tells us that we're going to be starting off with y is equal to something with an x to the fourth. And again, look across from your 0. You can see we have a -27 this time. That's your tail of your function. Okay, so we're going to do it the same way. What we have to do is we have to pick a number, substitute it in, see what we get. It doesn't really matter what number we pick. So let's pick, again, I always like to pick something that's away from 0. This is usually where I go. You can go to any of them, it really doesn't matter. So we'll put in -43 is equal to, and again, we called this a last time. And then x we know is going to be 2 to the fourth power minus 27. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add 27. So that's going to give us -16 is equal to a times 2 to the fourth. 2 to the fourth is 16. Then if I divide by 16, I can find out that -1 is a. So that means this number in here is -1. So our function rule comes out to be y is equal to negative and then x to the fourth minus 27. Okay, that's how we do it. I hope you found this helpful. I appreciate you watching, and watch some of the other videos. Thanks.